Hey everybody, it's Joel again. I think a while back I hinted at this K-Mart exclusive strip action set from the Hot Wheels Classics line. I don't remember the copyright date on this. Let me see here. It's 1990. I'm sorry, 2005 was the copyright date, so this is 1968 to 2005. Strip action set, it's supposed to come, I guess, with one of these cars. Let me see what it says here. Ford F-100, Camaro, Plymouth GTX, Purple Passion, Pit Cruiser. Pit Cruiser is an interesting vehicle for a Hot Wheel, but I think it would make a horrible track vehicle. So I have never seen anyone open up one of these. They just collect them and leave them sealed. So you know what? It's time to have some fun. I want to see what this looks like. So we are going to open this up. All right, before we do, it's just got a picture of track, straight track, and the 68 original 16 silhouette with the Otto Cooney painting or artwork. The back side has the drawing of a boy having fun, attaching with a C-clamp to a table and propping it up and making a hill with some books and running his car. And then here were some other track sets, and I do have a couple of these. And if you remember, we had the Hot Wheels Classics in the cars, and I do have some of those. One of these sets I don't have, and I was thinking about getting it, and I never pulled the trigger, but they're out there. I could always pick it up later. So we're going to open this up. Where's the best? I didn't look to see what the best place to open this up was. Give me 1 second off camera here. All right. I don't want to ruin it. And it looks like it doesn't look like you can open up from the top. It looks like you got to open it from the side. Unless you just want to completely ruin it. So, I guess that's what we'll do. Maybe that's the best way to open this up. Well, you know what? Let me get a knife. See if I can do it with a knife. Oops. Let me get this offline so I don't tear up my table. Doing what I didn't want to do. All right, so there's the inside. Pull this out. Here's the C-clamp with the joiners. Here's the orange track. Apparently that's the shortest piece, the foot long length, and then here's to 2.5, 3 foot length. And there's the car came with it. One of the Hot Wheels classics. I got the Mustang. Okay, Mach 1. I think that's it. And here were the instructions. There were no booklets in the set or anything like that indicating, you know, like a sample of the of what was coming out. Nothing color like that, just basic stuff. All right, so that's it. That's what came in this set. We have how many pieces of track? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 long pieces of track. One shorter piece of track. That's only 2/3 the length. Joiners, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 joiners. The joiners all say metal. They're almost translucent, and they're not really thick. They do have a lot of bendability to them, so they're not really the thick ones, but I'm sure they'll get the job done. And even this feels a different type of plastic than the originals, okay? And if you notice on the track, it doesn't have the grooves, the tongue and groove. Well, it has the tongue and groove, so it fits in here, but it doesn't have that little slot in here and the little dot to put the modern joiners that they have to help hold it together. So if you use these, you'll have to pinch and flare. All right, that's it. Just a brief. Oh, you know what? This looks like it's from the Wastelanders series. I think that's one of the Wastelanders cars. I'd have to take a look. But anyway, that's the Mustang I got with it. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've ever opened up one of these sets. If so, what did you think of it? Have fun with your stuff. And everybody, take care. Have a good week. Thanks for watching.